Welcome students. Today let us discuss a very interesting and important question from the topic permutation. Here question is, from a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position. So total number of persons is here 8. Out of these 8 persons we have to choose one chairman and one vice chairman, and one person cannot hold more than one position. Means chairman and vice chairman should be two different persons. Okay, fine. So let us see the solution. Here total number of persons given is how much? How many? 8. Okay. So first of all, let us make a provision to select a chairman out of these 8 persons. So what are the options to select a chairman? We are having 8 options. We can select any person as a chairman from these 8 given persons. So total number of options for choosing a chairman is 8. Okay, that can be written as 8p1. We have already discussed a formula of permutation. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So this formula can be used wherever we will require it. Okay, so number of ways of choosing a chairman from 8 persons will be how much? 8p1. We have to select one person as a chairman out of 8 persons. Again, we have to choose one vice chairman also. So in the similar fashion, we can write number of ways of choosing a vice chairman from how many persons? 7 persons. Because out of these 8, one person has already been selected as a chairman. So remaining number of persons will be 7. So from 7 persons. So how we can calculate? That will be 7p1. And for choosing chairman and vice chairman from 8, these two will be multiplied together. Okay, so therefore number of ways of choosing a chairman and a vice chairman is how many? 8p1 into 7p1. You have to take care that whenever we use and, means half of the job has been done and remaining job has to be done this side, and is here, so we have to multiply these two ways, these two numbers. Okay, so let us calculate it. We'll get the answer. So 8p1 means 8 factorial into 8 minus 1 factorial, and 7p1 means 7 factorial 7 minus 1 whole factorials. We are using this formula here. NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So now let us calculate it. This is equal to 8 factorial by 7 factorial into 7 factorial by 6 factorial. This 7 factorial will be cancelled out. Okay, and here 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, and this is divided by 6 factorial. Again 6 factorial will be cancelled out, and we are getting 8 into 7 is equal to 56. This is the answer. So total number of ways of choosing one chairman and one vice chairman from these 8 persons is 56. This is the answer. So very simple, interesting question. Hope you have got the solution, and we'll see some more problems from the same topic, permutations, in other videos also. Thank you very much for watching this video.